Hi friends, choosing a wonderful theme for your vlog or blog is not a challenging task for you with WP Themes channel. Now we have all the features available in a video format to understand before taking or deciding any theme. Today I have a very wonderful theme called Surround. Surround is basically a vlog or blog WordPress theme. So if you have decided to make a blog or blog website, this video is for you. Surround is a new theme. Basically it was developed in last year only, and regular updates for this theme also being done, and it has been developed by a Power Elite author, Monkey Shan, and so no need to challenge about the coding and the popularity of this theme. The quality of this theme is very good. I have seen it working on one of my project. So you can decide to choose any of the available layout with this theme, and these are the 6 predefined home pages layout at this theme. This is the home with cover map and magazine home page, single traveler, full width home page, search on top, travel blog with carousel, and I am going to show you one of the demo. This is the home magazine home page, and this is the stunning look of website. It has the monetization option. If you have AdSense or any monetization code, you can use to monetize your blog or blog. So it is going to be a good catch for your blog website, no doubt. Social connects are given in the left panel, and Google Maps are here. All pages are nicely designed, no doubt. And you have multiple home page option as well. You can select any, as I said. Home with carousel, we can check. This is the home with carousel option. This is carousel. So in this video we are going to install the Surround blog WordPress theme, and for this I got a fresh installation of WordPress. This is the fresh installation with latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got changelog, documentation, licensing, and the theme files itself, the main file and the child file. So let us begin the installation. I assume you have already installed the WordPress in the latest version. Go to the themes, add new, upload theme, choose file, choose surround.zip here, and if you are having direct access on your server, I believe you are having this, you can upload it directly to the WP themes. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and the theme size is very less, 5.87 MB in size. It will be uploaded within a minute, and once upload gets done, we need to extract surround.zip. And as an extraction outcome, we got surround folder here, in which all the theme components, folders and files are here now. Now we can delete the zip one, it is useless for now. We can go to the theme section of WordPress now. Now we have surround as another theme option. Let us check the detail. It is surround version 1.0.6 and it is video blog magazine WordPress theme. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins. So begin installing plugins. These are the list of plugins required to run this theme, and some are recommended ones. So we will install all. You can even use this theme for e-commerce activity. Woocommerce compatibility is here, and this theme has been developed on Redux framework. It is a wonderful framework for WordPress, and I have seen it is working very fine. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. I am installing all in one go, but you can definitely install one by one, so that no error should be encountered to you. In watermark it was actually not required, but I installed all the features. All the installation and activation has been completed. Upon installation of Woocommerce, we need to undergo for a basic setting of Woocommerce. We will definitely do this at this stage. I am putting some sample data. You can use the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to select surround, continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack. We can install the Jetpack on later stage. Now we have installed the theme and all set of plugins. So now we can check how our website looks with the theme, and this is the basic look of website with the surround theme and all its plugin. Now we need to go for demo content, so that we may get the complete website like a demo website. Just locating where is the demo content importer is, if they are given in the theme. It may be in theme options. Let me check. I never write anything during the installation process. This is why it is going with you in this video only. So demo importer is here in the theme option. We will definitely the theme option. We will check the theme option as well after demo import. So just click on demo import, and surround is here. So import demo, and import process is going on. It will take some time because it also downloads the media files, and media files take some time. Just be on this screen, don't try to refresh or leave this screen. The progress bar will tell you about the import status, just be on this screen and let it be completed. You will reach on this screen once the demo will get imported, and this is written as imported. So it took some additional time. I believe there are some media files, and large number of media files might have been downloaded or imported. So let us check. Yes, I assume there are many media files has been given in the demo content. This is why it took some additional time. So you get ready to devote some additional minutes in importing the demo content, but it is for sure it will be complete, and you need to have patience for this. And now we can check our website how it looks with the demo content. Yes, it is wonderful, and it got all the sections here. So since it is based on the post content, so the latest post is here, hello world. So we can definitely manage the content. All we can overview the all pages. And all some placeholder images are here, but it never mind, because we are going to use our own images only, and the demo images are for only demonstration purpose. Definitely that is of no use for us. And this is the stunning look of one post page. Authors page, we can check. And since we have installed the shop, so we can check the shop options as well. This is the shop option. So there is, it seems there is no product is there, but it doesn't matters. Product simple, we can check. Yes, some products are here. So we can check the functionality. Yes, it is working fine. And check out. So we can conclude that Woocommerce option and e-commerce option is working fine with this theme, and rest of things are already good with this theme. The Surround blog or Blog WordPress theme is here with us now, and we can check different home pages, and you can choose any as per your requirement, as per your choice. So there might be some customization required, but everything is fine as in demo. So now we can check the theme options, what we got in the theme options. This is the theme option screen, and demo importer we have already used. This is the general options, media and skin color can be controlled, header, page header style, post header style, etc. Pages, page layouts, carousel post layout, single post, category template, tag template, author template, search template, and these are some more options through which you can definitely control your website. And anything additional is not here. Interactive maps is additional, Mapbox is additional, Instagram feed is here, and reviewer is here, and watermark it is okay, fine. So we have successfully installed the Surround WordPress theme in today's activity, and we got a wonderful outcome website from this. and you can definitely choose this theme as it has no error, no trouble, and backend is also very good. So it goes without saying that this is a wonderful theme for your next blog or blog project. So you can use all such elements during the customization process, and the visual customizer is here. So I'll show just how to customize by editing the home page with the visual WP Bakery page builder, so that you may get confident that everything is working fine. And this is the front end customizer, and you can use the backend as well. And this is post map. You can see everything is editable here. Just mouse over and you can edit anything as per your choice and requirement. So it is easy customization, and in blog there is not much to customize, and so you just need to decide the wireframe of home page or other pages, what you need to put on that page, and that is final. And you can easily do those changes through using this WP Bakery page builder, and it is a wonderful page builder being used since years on WordPress. So just assure you are going to do this. So if you got any problem during the installation or demo installation, or you have any question, you can definitely write in the comment of this video, or I'm giving the link of my website to start a discussion thread, and you can definitely get this theme at my website as well. So just don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring some wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching. Thank you.